We are back. Join us on Pretense of Justice Live on Monday, January 30th at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time as we welcome our guest, Anthony Wolf Wilson. Mr. Wilson will discuss his experience with the criminal and justice system and how he became an activist for his community through his organization, FREST, fully restoring every son's hope. FREST provides education to the youth on their legal rights and are creating safe and productive communities. So join us on Monday, January 30th at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Time as we welcome our guest, Anthony Wolf Wilson. And also as we get into world events, politics, social and economic topics, and the injustices being served around the world. We are Pretense of Justice. Let the justice begin.